Everyone, so I'm just going to walk through the DAO contract. So in order to interact with the DAO, I have to mint a token. I have to have a token. This is, again, the membership NFT that you stake for. I'm not staking for it in the example. I'm just minting straight from the minter contract just for speed's sake. But yeah, normally you stake, your funds go to a pool, and you get to earn the yield when you have a successful proposal. So I'll just walk through that process. So right now it's pending, and yeah, I might skip through some of this video just to make this short. I've been having some holdups on the network. This is the DAO contract. So this is where we will propose, and I'm just gonna pre-fill this while our NFT is minting. So we select an amount that we want to get paid for. I'll just select one. We will select a token swap. For this, I'll just do false because I don't want, I'd rather just get it in Ethereum. I mean, in USDC instead of Ethereum. Um, then we'll set our description for pool lobby table or lobby for the lobby. Just do that. And then I put the address that I want to have received payments. It doesn't have to necessarily be mine. It could be anyone's. And then I'll put my token ID, which we just minted, which is 0 because it's the only one we have. So then I'll just mint this proposal right here. And while that's pending, I will enter my vote. And I'll just put true, yes, I want to vote for it. The ID of the proposal is 0, and my token ID is 0. And so when that's finished, we will submit that vote. All right, now I'll submit my vote. And I will just confirm. And yeah, once that submits, everything else should be automated. So the vote will automatically get processed. It'll be compared with other votes. We're just doing one vote on the network, so it should go through pretty easily. But yeah, and the way we can kind of track how once our proposal goes through, we have a time schedule, which has actually already gone through. So this Chainlink Keepers in the background automates, and if you can see I'm receiving funds as it does this. So right now I have 208. The next time this goes through, I should have one more USDC in here. I should have 209, so we'll check back on that later. But yeah, every in the background, Chainlink Keepers is doing its magic and kind of paying us on a weekly time scale basis. So it's sending me 1 USD per every 2 seconds right now. But this could be, like 1 USDC every 2 weeks or so on and so forth. For the example, it's just 2 seconds. All right. And if we go to our keepers, we can see that if we just refresh here, we can see that the transactions are going through, the upkeep transactions are going through. So pretty soon we should see this drop down to 80. So now, as you can see, time has passed automatically, and yeah, let's check our wallet to see if we received a payment, and we did. It's actually we received, yeah, we received more than 209. We received 210. So I don't know why that is, but yeah. So we're receiving automatically. We're receiving payments, as you can see, from our proposal. Once this is finished, I'm not going to go through the whole thing, but eventually this resets and the proposal is done. And after it resets, a new person can enter a proposal to receive funds. Um, so yeah, that's basically how this DAO works. Um, Proposals are elected, and then they receive funds for a certain period of time, and then a new proposal is elected, and so on and so forth. That's kind of how the DAO works.